I said asshole.
Why? Why?
Asshole because that was another lady. Watch, there's another lady coming up. She's caught and she crossed the street. You see? Assholes.
Oh, there's a bunch of people crossing. Julian, that's that's not a nice word. Daddy made a mistake and said that word because he was a little bit
Asshole.
upset. But maybe we shouldn't use that word. Maybe we should use a different word,
What kind?
like silly goose.
Or like fucking bick.
Yeah, that's a better word. Sure. Okay, let's use that one.
Fucking bicks.
Oh man, why are you so upset,
Fucking bick.
Julian? Why are you so upset?
I didn't get upset. I said fucking bick.
Oh. No, Daddy was only upset because the lady was crossing the street and she wasn't looking where she was going. And Daddy almost hit her with the car.
What did Daddy call the lady?
Asshole.
Oh, that's not a very nice word. Let's try to not say that word anymore.
I fucking bick.
Yeah, I'm gonna really try not to say that word anymore because that's really not a nice word.
Don't try. Say fucking bick.
Okay, from now on I'll say fucking bick. Watch where you're going, like that.
Fucking bick. Watch you going. Fucking bick.
Okay, like that. Thank you, Julian. I apologize.